Welcome back to our channel where we simplify technology to enhance your digital journey. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a hard shake transition in Capcut using your desktop. So let's dive right in. First, open your Capcut. Here I already placed the video clips that we are going to use as an example for today's tutorial. After you place the video clip that you want to edit, add the shake transition in every video clip. To do that, go to Transitions and then look for Shake and then add it. After you add the transition, pay attention to the upper right side of the screen where you can find its parameters. Reduce the duration to 0.2 seconds. Then click Apply to All. The next step is to add the rebound swing effect. To do that, go to Effects. Click Video Effects, then click Nightclub, and then locate the rebound swing and add it. After adding the rebound swing effect, adjust its strength to 10, then reduce the speed to 0. After that, resize the effect same as the length of one video clip. Then duplicate it as many as your video clips, then align it to your video clip. The next step is to add the vibration flash effect. To do that, go to Effects. Then locate the vibration flash effect and add it. After you add the vibration flash effect, shorten it to small, but make sure that it still can cover both ends of two video clips. Then duplicate it and align it at the ends of two video clips, just like what I did here. Lastly, add the swing bottom transition in the intro of every video clip. Then reduce the duration of the transition to 0.2 seconds. Again, do that in all of the video clips. And here's the final result. That's it. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.